What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think I've only made maybe one video about Solana. I've made videos about Solana on my other channel, talking about the level of growth and how I believe this is going to go so much further from where it was. And the price, believe it or not, at that video or on that video was $11. Now it stands at a way higher price, and I couldn't make an investment at that time, but I did eventually make an investment as I did come into some money. But I saw that as an opportunity. A lot of people saw that as an opportunity. It was a great play, and it still is a great play. But let's talk about Solana a little bit because I think Solana has been kind of running wild and it's looking better and better as the days go on because you have a lot of people, a lot of builders of projects that are now moving from aggressively going towards Ethereum to now moving towards Solana, right? Since Solana is so like heavily supported by like Coinbase and the US and all of these different places, you have that support, right? Ethereum was always the way to go, right? ERC20, it was just easily connectable to everything, right? The connectivity to all different exchanges and easily transferable to cash on a lot of those places. When you go BSC, you have to end up going to those exchanges or exchanges that take that, which really is only crypto.com, and then you can decide to convert it to cash if you wanted to there. But it's so easily liquidable when you have Ethereum. Now the tables have turned a little bit and we're seeing a lot more support for Solana, and also builders are building on Solana a lot more. So let's talk about this chain a little bit, give you guys a little bit of a breakdown, I guess, of how I see it, and also talk about how much I do hold because I have talked about how much I held, and now I hold a little bit more, not buying recently, but buying a while ago. Um, Let's talk about Solana in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex down in the description. I am looking to gain a lot more Solana throughout the process of trading on Margex. I was trading Ethereum earlier today, made a little bit of money with it. I was up to a point where I gained $400, but I thought Ethereum was going to break my level, and it just started to turn down with a lot of things in the market as well. So I didn't really see that level of a gain, but I did see a gain. It wasn't great, but it was a gain because I protected myself before it did decide to fall down even more. It looked like it was trending downward, and I just couldn't handle that, losing the Solana that I did have. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get into Solana in this video. If we currently look at the price, it's been running, right? It's up 7% on the day. We're also seeing that it's up to a $181 price, and it's at an $80.5 billion market cap. Now, most people would look at this and they would go, okay, it's approaching its high points, not price wise, because price wise it was up to like 250 or 270 or something like that. But since so much Solana was added to the total supply, right, or to the circulating supply, you see that it has a lesser ability to get to some of these higher prices, but still to the same market cap levels. Now, there are a lot of predictions that are out there, including my own, that believes that this is going to get to a $500 billion market cap, which honestly, that would be north of $1,000. So saying that this is limited to where it is right now, no, this is still before the halving. This is still before altcoin season, and I think Solana is definitely going to have a larger pickup. Now, why do I believe all of this stuff is happening? All of this hype, all of this attention is really happening. I don't know if you've noticed lately, but a lot of meme coins and a lot of money, a lot of things have been flowing through the Solana chain. And the reason is because Ethereum is so damn expensive. It's ridiculous. The one day I tried to claim, staking bonuses or staking rewards, and it said it was going to charge me $6,000, and that was during a busy time, I guess. But then I also tried to unstake. I tried to make movements, and it was like hundreds of dollars. And then I finally was able to do something with that, and it cost me $60 per transaction. Two transactions altogether, $120 that it cost me in order to trade or move $500 worth. So I'm sorry, that is a massive amount. Now I needed to move those. I needed to get them, into my wallet at that point. But the point is that it cost me so much to even get them into my wallet. It's like, do I even want to like trade them or do anything with them or anything with Ethereum? But honestly, great positions are over on Ethereum. But now a lot is being created on the Solana chain. Whether you're talking about, GME, which is a low position, a low meme coin position, as well as you're talking about Dog with Hat, or you're talking about Bonk, and just so many others that are being created on Solana because it's cheap, it's fast, it's reliable. There's just so many positives that are here over Ethereum that it's making Ethereum look, kind of horrible at this time. So as you can see right below where it says the price in my first watch list, you're going to see that in my crypto portfolio, I have $4,273 worth of Solana right now. At the current stage, $180, I would have $4,273.21. I currently have 23 Solana. Now that's not all of it. I do have 2.7 over on Margex, which I had 2.44 earlier today, and I did end up making a little bit of money out of the trade that I made. So now I'm at 2.7. I could have been at like 4 or 5 if I would have taken profit at $430, $450, but whatever. I was expecting a lot more. I was expecting it to go up 200%, not just 100%. But it was a down market and things really went sour recently. Now, I don't know if it has come back, but I'm not going to really worry about that. I want to make these trades to give me more Solana. So I'm using that 2 or 3 Solana to try and build up more Solana in the end. So we'll see how that does play out and if I can gain a lot more without investing anymore. That would be really cool. But anyways, there are a ton of predictions around Solana, around what this price is going to be. And because of that factor, because of that reasoning that you see all of these builders and creators that are creating on Solana, on the Solana chain for meme coins, the billions upon billions of dollars worth of volume that's going through here. You see $13.5 billion that's going through Solana alone. And that could be in the form of using Solana to buy some of these meme coins or just buying Solana outright. The point is you're seeing the volume on chain, which is definitely a big deal, meaning that you're now stealing some of that market share away from the Ethereum chain and adding it to the Solana chain. So honestly, I think the sky's the limit, and $500 billion for a market cap seems like a low price for me. It doesn't seem like a crazy high price, but there's a lot more that goes into it, right? Just talking about the standard things, whether it's, it's fast and it's reliable and it's cheap and all these things that people want to see as something that's you're going to pay in these transaction costs as you're making these moves over on that chain. So again, let me know what you think about Solana. Let me know what you think the price is going to get to, because my prediction, I want to see a $250 to $500 billion market cap. I think hands down, it's definitely going to get there. And I wouldn't be surprised if this found a way to hit $1 trillion or even $2 trillion market cap when it's all said and done. So let me know your thoughts. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.